Welcome to AQ Poultry Farming, where our knowledge is your success. Today I want to show you some birds in my brooder. One, we have two pigeons. You can see there, two pigeons, and there are small jigs there. You can see we have chicks of 28 days. Hao wakubwa, hao wengine ni wa 2 weeks. Tuko na wengine hapa wako pamoja ndani ya brooder. You can see they are around 3. They are together, so you can contact us at 07 390 977 32. On 23, we are expecting our machine to hatch 300 chicks because it is a capacity of 352 eggs. So we are eagerly waiting, and we know that God will not put us down. You can see it is a amazing thing. You can see this is egg. One tray carries 188 eggs. You can see we have 4 rows. You can see, and that is to water trough. You can see. So contact us and you will get your order. We do deliver from 100 chicks for free. If you want, we can deliver countrywide. Yeah. AQ Poultry Farming. You can see this is a brooder. Yeah. AQ Poultry Farming. Our knowledge is your success.